Have you ever wondered why some seniors seem happier, calmer, and more energetic than others even when they're facing the same challenges of aging? The answer might not be found in a medication cabinet. It might not be hidden in an expensive supplement. And it may not even be inside the house. In fact, the answer could be waiting just outside the front door. Today, we're exploring what happens when seniors spend more time in nature. And before this video ends, you'll discover a surprising benefit that many older adults say changed their lives. Completely a benefit that has nothing to do with exercise. So stay with us, because the final lesson may be the one you need most. Imagine this. An elderly man named Robert sits alone in his living room. The television is on. The clock ticks loudly. The days feel longer than they used to. Friends have moved away. The children are busy. And each day feels very much like the one before. Then one morning, something small happens. He steps outside, just for a few minutes. The sun is warm. Birds are singing. A gentle breeze moves through the trees. For the first time in weeks, he notices something beautiful. A butterfly lands on a flower nearby. It seems insignificant, but that tiny moment changes something inside him. And surprisingly, Robert's story isn't unusual. Many seniors report feeling better emotionally after spending more time outdoors. But here's what most people don't realize. Nature doesn't just change how we feel. It can change how we experience life itself. And the first reason might surprise you. Nature slows down the mind. Think about your typical day. Television, news, phone calls, appointments, worries, responsibilities. Even retirement can feel overwhelming. Our minds are constantly processing information. But nature operates differently. Trees don't rush. Flowers don't hurry. Birds aren't concerned about yesterday's mistakes. And when we spend time among them, something remarkable begins to happen. Researchers have found that natural environments may help reduce feelings of stress and mental fatigue. Many people describe it as if their minds finally have room to breathe. But that's only the beginning. Because what happens next is even more fascinating. Did you know that gardeners often talk to their plants? It sounds funny, but studies suggest that interacting with plants may encourage feelings of connection and purpose. And purpose is something every human being needs, regardless of age. In fact, many seniors say the hardest part of aging isn't physical discomfort. It's feeling less needed, less connected, less involved. Yet a simple garden can quietly change that. A seed needs care. A flower needs watering. A vegetable plant needs attention. Every morning brings a reason to step outside. Something is waiting. Something depends on you. And that feeling can be incredibly powerful. But there's another benefit hiding beneath the soil. One that many people never expect. We'll reveal that in a moment. First, let's talk about something almost every senior worries about at some point. Memory. Have you ever walked into a room and forgotten why you went there? Misplaced your glasses? Forgotten a name you knew perfectly well? You're not alone. These experiences are common. But here's an interesting fact. Some researchers believe spending time in green spaces may help support attention and mental clarity. Why? Because natural environments engage the brain differently than busy indoor environments. Instead of demanding constant focus, nature gently captures attention. The rustling leaves, the singing birds, the changing clouds. These simple experiences may help give the brain a chance to recover from mental overload. And that's important, because the brain, like any part of the body, benefits from periods of restoration. Now here's where the story becomes truly interesting. Because one of the most unexpected benefits of nature has nothing to do with memory, nothing to do with exercise, and nothing to do with physical health. It has to do with loneliness. Stay with me, because what researchers and seniors have discovered about loneliness may completely change how you view your garden, your backyard, or even your local park. Many older adults describe loneliness as one of the greatest challenges of later life. Yet nature has a unique way of making us feel connected. Connected to seasons, connected to growth, connected to life itself. And in the next section, we're going to explore why spending time around plants may help many seniors feel less isolated, and why some experts believe this connection could be one of nature's greatest gifts.